And just looking at those images and looking at parts of the Caribbean being affected back before it strengthened to a Cat 5, it's unbelievable.
It is unbelievable. And
I think it's scary. I'm going to be honest.
No, it really
It's beyond
is.
unbelievable. It's scary to think that how quickly it intensified and how early.
From tropical storm to major Category 4 in less than 48 hours. Lots of folks being impacted by this storm. The folks in Jamaica have got to be really worried and really paying attention to this system because it's supposed to get pretty close to there. And that the eye picture that you showed a little while ago, you know, it's calm inside the eye, and then the problem is the other side of the eye moves over your head, and that tears you up with winds in the opposite direction. So for us here locally, it looks like a pretty decent morning across southeast Louisiana, but in the Caribbean, of course, Category 5 Hurricane Beryl continues to make its way to the west at about 22 miles per hour. It's a pretty big storm. You can see it's affecting parts of Puerto Rico right now. The hurricane force winds can be felt some 45 miles out from the center of this storm, but the tropical storm force winds can be felt out 125 miles away from the center of this storm. This thing is going to continue to move in a westerly direction, headed almost directly towards Jamaica. A very organized storm, a very well-defined eye, and a very dangerous and powerful system. Some dry air out ahead of this storm, which will help to weaken it a bit, but it's still going to maintain that category, that major hurricane status as it passes over or just by Jamaica over the next couple of days. We're also following Invest 96L out here in the Atlantic, not showing much promise at all. Here's the National Hurricane Center forecast track. And as you can see, this storm is going to get weaker over the next couple of days. Still a major hurricane as it passes by or over Jamaica, and a Category 1 before it moves over the Yucatan Peninsula. Right now, 165 mile per hour winds. Invest 96L out here in the Atlantic, a low chance of that developing into a tropical system. Here's the European model. Theirs is Beryl as it moves just about over Jamaica and by the Cayman Islands and then towards the Yucatan Peninsula before it ends up in the southwestern Gulf of Mexico and then makes its way towards the Mexican coastline as we go into like Monday and Tuesday of next week, so a week from today. So your headlines for today: excessive heat warning back in effect today, cloudy and rainy tomorrow, so that's going to result in some lower temperatures, and of course a major hurricane I was just talking about, Beryl, in the Caribbean. The excessive heat warning covers the North Shore, Hancock and Pearl River counties, parts of the South Shore as well, issued by the National Weather Service because heat index values could get up to 118 degrees at times this afternoon. Got up to 119 degrees yesterday. Right now, 84 degrees at the airport, but it feels like 97 degrees already. Over the lakefront, it's 86, but it feels like 101 degrees at 6:20 a.m. in the morning. Incredible. The UV index once again today in the extreme range, so you got to protect yourself from the dangerous rays of the sun. Put on the hat, put on the shades, wear your sunscreen. Very, very important. Keep yourself hydrated. Lightweight, light colored clothing. Take breaks in the AC and the shade. Right now, we are mostly rain free except for a few showers and storms down here towards Plaquemines Parish. Temperatures are in the 70s and the low to mid 80s. Feels like temperatures this afternoon and will be in the triple digits for just about all of us across southeast Louisiana as your actual temperatures rise to the mid to the upper 90s. 20 to 30% chance of rainfall in the forecast for today. And those rain chances go up to more like a 40 to 50% chance for your Wednesday, which again will help to keep our temperatures down just a bit. Here's a quick look at your WDSU first warning. 7-day forecast. Independence Day, 94 degrees for an afternoon high, and Essence Fest weekend temperatures in the mid 90s.
Damon, thanks so much.